और अभी आपको बाहर रात से लिए चलते हैं। इस वक्त सुप्रीम कोर्ट में समाअत का आगाज हो गया।
Something in writing so that I can initiate the process and come back to you with a response tomorrow.
ये ऑर्डर साइन हो गया? 3 अभी भी नहीं साइन हुए। दे दें जजेस को। साइन क्यों नहीं हुए?
And if I may be given copy of the order now so that I can have the process initiated, please.
पढ़ ली सर।
बाकी थे नहीं?
माफ हो।
आपको टाइम चाहिए होगा फिर उसमें? कल तक के लिए दे देंगे सर, कल तक के लिए दे देंगे। एंड
देख तो नहीं क्या है?
जी मैंने I've read this. If this is the order,
we've dictated it in court.
जी you did, but I needed it in writing so that when I communicate with them, they know exactly what is to be done.
साइन में भी टाइम लगेगा। मैं तो कब से भेजा हुआ है।
इन्होंने अगर ऑर्डर लेके जवाब देना है तो फिर 5 मिनट का ऑर्डर।
कितने लोग who all want to address the court? Who all want to address the court?
Islamabad High Court Bar Association would like to give the opportunity. Islamabad High Court
Bar Association, how long?
Court में जितना भी time दें जनाब, I try to finish within the half an hour 45-minute mark. Or whatever.
We're asking you a time.
Half an hour 45 minutes.
Give you a precise time.
45 minutes.
45 minutes you're going to...
Not more than that, sir. Not more than.
I can now leave the roster, and who is the next person?
I'm for Ehtizaz Ehsan in CP11.
Which organization do you represent?
I'm representing Mr. Ehtizaz Ehsan, the individual.
No, we are doing the organizations first. Ji.
Hello. I represent
Ji.
Lahore High Court Bar Association.
How long will you take?
3 of them, the same.
How long will you take?
I'll take about between half an hour to 3/4 of an hour. Lahore High Court Bar Association, Balochistan High Court Bar Association, and Balochistan Bar Council.
Balochistan High Court Bar and Balochistan Bar Council. All together you'll take how long?
Altogether about an hour.
1 hour. ठीक है, next.
Lordship, I am Vice Chairman Pakistan Bar Council.
Pakistan Bar Council.
Lordship, and as per order dated.
How long will you take?
Half hour, 20 to 30 minutes.
ठीक. Next.
The Supreme Court Bar Association will take not more than 20 minutes in this case.
My lord.
And we are also seeking permission to file the proposal sought by this court.
That permission has already been granted. So you don't have to seek further permission.
On the last date, the order was announced that we were being given notice. So we've endeavored to file this.
Who's next? Association.
My Lord Shahbaz Khosa, Additional Secretary Supreme Court and Vice President Punjab Supreme Court Bar Association. We've compiled, as my Lord desired, on the last date on the Supreme Court Bar Association's behalf. My Lord, they're presenting a slightly different view. We're presenting almost the same but slightly different.
Who are you? We are talking about organizations.
Additional Secretary Supreme Court Bar Association.
You're not an organization, you're an individual.
And Vice President.
Try to understand, we're first dealing with organizations.
In fact, sir, my Lord.
आप तो ना बोलिए ना, please, इनको बात तो करने देते ना एक शख्स.
My Lord, the desire is the same.
Hey, I don't care about your desires. Which organization do you represent?
My Lord,
अबे वकील को एक बार 3 दफा ना बताना पड़े, हमसे पूछने कौन सी organization?
My Lord, I have been elected to the Supreme Court Bar Association.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को नोट करें, उसके बाद फिर आप लोग इंडिविजुअल बात में आएंगे. पहले ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जितने भी है एसोसिएशन, पहले उनकी लिस्ट बन रही है, उसके बाद फिर आप लोग.
Maybe as in my individual capacity as well as my representative.
You're not on behalf of the Supreme Court Bar.
Regrettably, there was a executive committee meeting yesterday.
लोगों से पहले ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से बात कराना.
And a unanimous
in fact, the
draft was prepared. Yes, last night by holding the executive committee meeting. I really wonder why we want self-projection here. It's a very serious question that requires to be addressed before this court, and we are just making I don't know.
हम इंडिविजुअल्स को भी सुन लेंगे, पहले हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की बात कर रहे हैं,
मुझे किसी की सुनने जाने पर नहीं है, लेकिन ये बहरहाल ये मैं इस पे क्या कहूँ.
My Lord, no self-projection is desired here. I'm very sorry that this has been said.
Let's deal with the organizations first.
In fact, the over petition was filed.
शुरू हो गई, हमें organization बता दीजिए कौन सी organization है.
My Lord, on behalf of Supreme Court Bar Association,
you cannot
25th the meeting could not held till 25th. Therefore, we filed a petition on behalf of Supreme.
President Supreme Court Bar is present. Let him say what he's saying. उसके बाद फिर आप बात करने बाद में कर लें.
Right.
Sir, Islamabad Bar District Bar Association
किसको?
Islamabad District Bar Association and Karachi Bar Association. 30 minutes, sir.
Thank you. Can we be as precise as Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed? Ji, next.
My Lord, Islamabad Bar Council, my Lord. 15 to 20 minutes, my Lord.
Okay, organizations.
ठीक.
I'm grateful, my Lord.
Sir, we are.
और organization कोई रह गया? We are not hearing people from. First, we'll finish here. जी, यहाँ कोई रह गया? Organization. जी.
The 6 members of Pakistan Bar.
नहीं, organization. I think you hopefully know the difference between organization and individuals. जी, बार कौन है, वहाँ कौन है, कराची में कौन है, किसको represent कर रहे हैं? Sindh High Court Bar Association. How long will you take? ठीक. और? आप इंडिविजुअल कैटेगरी में आ रहे हैं ना. लेट्स फिनिश द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. जी. और ये दूसरी जगह कौन सी है? और कोई नहीं है. ठीक है. अच्छा, आप इंडिविजुअल्स बता दें कौन है. भाई आप यहाँ से हम कर रहे हैं.
आप जरा पहले इधर से देख लें, उसके बाद ऐसा चलते हैं.